A Walmart app checkout problem after an update usually means the app version, account connection, payment method, or saved cart information is preventing the order from completing. By the end, you'll know the main fixes to try when Walmart checkout stops working after an app update and the steps to check before contacting support. Start by checking whether the Walmart app is updated to the latest version. App updates can change how features connect with your account, payments, and saved information. If checkout is failing, close the Walmart app completely and reopen it. This refreshes the app connection and can fix temporary loading or checkout errors. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent the checkout page from loading correctly or completing an order. After that, review your Walmart account. Confirm that you are signed into the correct account and that your saved delivery address, pickup location, and payment information are accurate. If your payment method is causing the issue, remove and add the payment method again. This can refresh the connection between your account and the payment option. You should also check your cart. Remove any item that may be causing the checkout problem and try placing the order again. Product availability, item restrictions, or cart changes can affect whether checkout completes. If the Walmart app continues to fail, try using Walmart's website through a browser. This helps determine whether the problem is with the app itself or with your account. Clearing the app cache can also help on some devices. The steps depend on whether you use Android or iPhone, so use your device settings to manage the app information. If none of these steps work, collect the details before contacting Walmart support. Record the exact error message, when the issue started, what device you are using, and what happens when you try to place the order. Clear details help support identify whether the issue is related to your account, the app, or checkout processing. The main points are simple. First, refresh the Walmart app and check your account connection. Second, verify your payment, address, and cart details. Third, use Walmart support with specific error information if checkout still fails. Your next step is to restart the app, check your account details, and test checkout again before reaching out for help. If this guide fixed your Walmart app checkout problem, like the video and subscribe for more practical troubleshooting guides.